What if Alexander the Great didn't die at 32, but lived decades longer? How different would our world look today? In just 13 years, Alexander created one of the largest empires in history. From Greece to India, he spread culture, trade, and military power. But his life was cut short, leaving his empire to collapse. If Alexander had lived longer, his empire could have stabilized. He planned to march deeper into Arabia and North Africa. Rome might never have risen to power because Alexander's empire would dominate the Mediterranean. Democracy and philosophy could have spread globally, shaping civilizations in ways we can't imagine.
We delve into the cosmic dance of celestial bodies and the fundamental forces that govern our universe.
Greek culture and science might have advanced centuries earlier. Imagine modern medicine or astronomy arriving in the ancient world. But a longer reign also has risks. Alexander was ruthless and obsessed with conquest. He might have created a brutal, never-ending empire with endless wars and crushed cultures. Religions and languages we know today could have been replaced by one Greek-centered system. The world might have been more unified, but far less diverse. Imagine walking in your city today, and instead of your own language, everyone speaks Greek. Your money, your schools, your government, all shaped by Alexander's vision. So while his early death reshaped history, a longer life could have changed civilization itself. But here's another question. What if the Library of Alexandria was never destroyed?